Hello, backers. In 2018, we appeared in front of you, dreaming of an innovation in wiper blades that hadn't changed for nearly 100 years. The result was sweet, debuting brilliantly and ranking #1 of all time in the wiper blade category on crowdfunding platforms, such as Kickstarter. Total funding amount, $395,000. 569 cities in 84 countries worldwide. 5,522 sponsors. Founded KIMBLADE for the first time in 2015. Prototype development. KIMBLADE was complete after years of field testing. All of our team members cheered when the products were delivered to all over the world and the delivery was finished. Our new task, KIMBLADE Upgrade. Based on the experiences and requests of the backers who supported us, we researched and researched again, and right now I'm back with the results. Let me introduce KIMBLADE Nano, the 3rd generation.
We have reviewed the comments of our backers, which can be summarized in 3 ways. First, incorrect size and incorrect delivery of the vehicle's wiper model. Second, product performance deterioration due to use without cleaning and conditioning the windshield. Third, wiper silicone durability. Let's start with the conclusion. None of these problems are in the 3rd generation.
Size and delivery problems that did not match the vehicle. Use the wiper finder on the KIMBLADE website. Check the wiper code that matches your car model and write the code that matches your car on the Kickstarter order page. And you're done. Delivery is via FedEx Air Freight. Fast, accurate, and to your door. Product performance degradation due to the use of wipers without windshield conditioning. Car windshields are susceptible to dust and debris. Using a wiper on glass contaminated with fine dust, tire dust, tar, insects, etc. degrades the wiper's performance. Abrasion of the glass also prevents safe driving visibility in rainy weather.
So what should I do?
Using a windshield treatment kit improves the condition of a tarnished windshield. Equipped with KIMBLADE, the world's first square blade, cleans the glass surface evenly and neatly. All these packages are for the same amount as the first funding. Did you already buy it? Then get the refill blade. Choose the color you like without changing the frame. Easy replacement. Improved durability of wiper silicone.
Is silicone bound to be vulnerable to physical wear and tear? The answer is CNT reinforced blades.
By adding a carbon nanotube reinforcing agent that is 100 times stronger than iron. In addition to raising the limit of durability of silicone rubber, it has a final durability that can withstand the harshest environments.
Finally, KIMBLADE is back with the KIMBLADE.
KIMBLADE has a remarkably high cleaning power due to the contact of the line, not the face. The surface area that meets the glass is small, allowing the force to be concentrated.
The world's first rectangular blade is applied. With smooth direction changing, it improves the noise of the wiper caused by friction. With the water-repellent function of the blade contained in special silicone, providing a safer and clearer driving field of view in rainy weather. We at KIMBLADE have improved upon our previous wiper blades with a new generation, with constant research and development.
Based on advanced funding, know-how, and constructive feedback from you, we want to make a project that could be more satisfying to all of our backers. KIMBLADE, second project, only on Kickstarter.